If you want to scan a document on OPPO Reno 15, all you have to do is we need to go to the camera. Next, in the camera, we should be able to switch all the way to the More section, and then in here we can use the doc scanner. This is the dedicated mode that allows us to easily scan documents. So make sure that your whole document is captured, and then we can use the shutter button. There we go. Now wait a couple of seconds, and we should be able to get the scanned page. We can also, of course, use the AI Enhance in order to make sure that our scan looks pretty good. We can also use like black and white on blur option and so on and so forth. So be sure to check them out. There we go. As you can see, lots of different options. We can also use this plus button in the upper right corner in order to, let's say, go to the camera and add something. And we can also go back over here without exporting yet, so you can keep scanning new pages or next pages. Once you are done, we can use the arrow, of course, and we can use export in order to export the scan as an image or as a PDF document. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.